Hello everyone, just making a quick video on the latest graphics production package that I've made for Combat Sports Promotions. We have their event this coming weekend. So starting off we have our lower third, which you can see just here. That obviously changes with all of the fighters that come out, so when we scroll down on our data source you can see that it will change the background colour and their fight and everything else, and their gym and where they're from and what flag they are, so if they're from Australia or New Zealand or the US or wherever they may be from. After that we have our tail of the tape. And obviously that information will kick in once we have the information, so we generally get that just after the weigh-in, so we have all the up-to-date information. Once again this will change depending on who is there, and so does obviously the sponsor, the rules, the weight class, everything else. Another nice thing about this feature is we actually have a title match coming up, so up the top you will see it will change, and you'll also get the record and the it's for an Australian title. So once we have the proper name for the title we put that up, but if we just replay this quickly, there you can see everything pops up nicely, which is great. Closing that off. We have our timer, so the timer will pop up at the start of the round. It'll start counting. That's not doing it at the moment obviously, but it'll start counting down. Then after 9.5 seconds the bars and the names pop off. And that stays for the rest of the round. And then when we're going to go from footage, so let's say we want to hit our replay, we'll hit our stinger button, and we'll get our nice stinger, and off we go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy.